Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love read for you. Let's see what's going on with you, Saggis, what's going on with your person concerned, and how your energies are aligning, and what action we can expect now. So, oh my god, the World card flipped out even before I began the reading. So maybe this is a ending or a new beginning, Sagittarius. I'm going to just keep this card here and see why it's come out for us. And these are general collective readings, Sagittarius, will not resonate with all of you out there. Keep that in mind, okay? And take what works for you, leave the rest. And a warm welcome to all my subscribers and the newbies. We welcome you in. Let's start our reading. Eight of Cups, the Empress, the Hermit, Six of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so for me, Sagittarius, this is side A. Now I'm going to be opening cards for side B. You would know which side you resonate on if this is your story, right? So let's take one action card. What is the action person A most likely will take towards person B? Now we'll take 6 cards for person B. Sorry. Nine of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Two of Cups, and the Hierophant. Okay, and the action person B would like to take towards person A. And bottom of my deck, I have the Sun card, which is actually a very happy card. So this is the underlying energy of your reading, Sagittarius, which is great. But let's see, is that what you have or is that what you want? We're going to check out right now. I do see the Two of Cups here, so let's see. All right, so before I start this reading, Sagittarius, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards just to get the ball rolling, see if there was something you guys wanted to say to each other, what that would be. Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Sagittarius and their person. And let's take one more. Sagittarius, thank you. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, Sagittarius. Thank you. All right, Sagittarius, good to go. Let's begin your reading. First card here says, you make me so nervous. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. My past of how I was raised affects how I act now in life. When you left me, I felt like it was because you did not think I was good enough. When you left me, I felt like it was because you did not think I was good enough. Okay. I mean, these cards speak the same story, right? Somebody left and the Empress is in reverse. Somebody walked away and somebody's feeling that maybe they were not good enough for that person. Have you moved on with someone else who treats you better than I did? That thought is so painful. You've helped me discover my psychic gifts. Thank you. I want to make things right between us. I have commitment issues, which I saw here on person B's side. But of course, I'll clarify these cards and we'll figure the story out. When I said I love you forever, I meant it. Okay, so Sagittarius, let's see what's going on here. Let's start with the energies of person A. But before I start clarifying, I am going to take a blessing from the angels to top the reading. So any blessing, advice, message or guidance, my angels, for this reading? Any blessing, guidance, advice or a message for this reading, please, for Sagittarius? Any blessing, guidance, advice or a message for this reading? Blessings of abundance are there, but somebody has to take care of their health now. This could be emotional health at this point, Sagittarius. Okay, so let's put this card here. Let's start with the energy of person A and see what's happening. So, how is person A feeling right now? Either somebody has walked away from this relationship, Sagittarius, or maybe person A is thinking of walking away from something which is not making them emotionally very happy. Empress is in reverse, which means either they did not get the offer that they were expecting, maybe they expected more from their partner, they feel they have not been given that position for forward movement, for abundance, for growth basically in this relationship. Let's see why that is. Eight of Cups with the Empress spirit. Yeah, somebody did want to kind of leave all the troubles that were happening in the past and maybe kind of move on to the next stage or next phase of this relationship. But maybe their partner was holding back. They were not offering that. All they were offering was romance and fun and nothing really serious. Like, I can give you all the fun you want, I can romance you, I can bring you chocolates maybe, but don't ask me for commitment. The Empress in reverse, spirit. The Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse. Yes, they feel the person is looking out maybe at other people, maybe trying to see what else is out there, maybe has turned their back on them, and that is a very, very overwhelming, burdening feeling. And it was here as well, if I remember. Yeah, when you left me, I thought it was because you didn't think I was good enough. They feel maybe their partner's found somebody else or is looking for somebody else, and that was really, really painful. Even this card says the same thing. Have you moved on to someone else who treats you better than I did? That thought is so painful and so burdensome. So, what happened, Spirit, to make person A feel like that? What happened in the situation that they reached this stage? Hermit and the Six of Cups. What's that, Spirit? Clearly some bad memories have been created. What's this Hermit card? Hermit for person A. What's this Hermit card? Hermit. Hermit. Maybe they offered love to somebody, but that person did not accept it. They were very keen to maybe offer love. They knew that this was a soulmate. They loved person B a lot. But I think certain things were said or secrets were revealed, which kind of made person A get very upset, very, very angry. And now person A could be in hermit mode, thinking about what's happened in this connection, how such a beautiful connection now has bad memories. It's giving them a lot of anxiety. They're feeling restless. Six of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. Where is the Six of Cups in reverse? Six of Cups in reverse. Six of Cups in reverse. One more. Six of Cups in reverse. They feel as much as they like their partner, as much as they look up to their partner and wish that their partner could be theirs as the King of Pentacles and take control and take charge of this connection, I think somebody is not making any wise decisions here, or at least that's how person A feels. They feel their partner doesn't want to be tied down, or they don't want to be attached, or they don't want to be stuck in a connection. They want to be free. They always want to be free and maybe do their thing. One more, Spirit. What happened in the past for them to feel this way? Six of Cups in reverse. Yes, now they feel their partner was all the while maybe playing games with them. They were emotionally manipulating them, never giving off their emotions, never giving them love, even though I think person A was very, very, very much in love. Person A really felt that this is my soulmate, my best friend, this is the person I want to spend time with, I enjoy their company. But right now, I think, I don't know what happened in the past, that they felt their person manipulated them emotionally, never gave them emotional satisfaction. Now things are kind of disrupted between the two of you. So, how does person A see person B now? They see person B as the King of Pentacles in reverse and the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. They see person A only busy with their own work, maybe busy earning their money, very ungrounded and not ready to offer a place in their life, I think, to person A. Not offering any new beginning, no stability, no new beginning, nothing that can kind of stabilize this connection, and not kind of giving any kind of strength to this connection either. How else, Spirit? Ace of Pentacles in reverse. How does person A see person B? Yeah, they feel that this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted with person B, but they feel that person A has put an end to this chapter, is not even offering the stable beginning. See, notice how this Queen of Pentacles has the same pentacle which is here. So this is what the Queen of Pentacles wanted. Wanted a partner who would take charge, take control of the situation and be there for them. But I think right now what they're feeling about their partner is that their partner does not want this, right? So we'll open the action card later as to what action person A will take towards person B. Let's see what's really going on in the mind space of person B, their heart space. So 9 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups. So they were trying to delay. They feel it's better that they don't make a decision here about this happily ever after. That they are still trying, I think, to delay making a decision about maybe what their partner wants. Why is that, Spirit? 9 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups. 9 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups. They feel making a decision right now would be too much of a rash decision. It's too rushed right now. Let's not talk about it right now. Let's delay it a little bit. They're trying to kind of not get into the whole commitment scene. One more, Spirit. 9 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups in reverse. 10 of Cups upright. Yeah, they want to keep it stuck the way it is. They're happy the way things are going. They don't want to make any decision. They're not actually, heart of hearts, they're not even sure whether going forth they want this stability with person A. But maybe they enjoy their company. They like the 10 of Cups feeling, but talk about commitment and they say, hey, what's the rush? Okay, the person A wants to delay this as much as possible. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to feel that way? 8 of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. Yes, maybe their partner wanted them to work on this commitment and an equal partnership or whatever, but they gave very little. I think that could be because this person was maybe still wanting to be loose, free, and see other people. Or this card is sometimes called the player card. Somebody who just was little immature where emotions are concerned. They don't want to make any kind of commitment. They want to be in and out of people's lives. They don't like to stick in one place for too long. So what happened in the past, Spirit, with the Knight of Wands energy? Knight of Wands energy. Yeah, they wanted to not lose person A either. They had a fear of change maybe. They didn't want to get into any kind of binding which would maybe later lead to some conflict, or this person has some kind of a fear of attachment, I think. They like to be free. They like to be in a stress-free environment but they do like person A. That's why the Death card was in reverse. They didn't want to let go of person A either. So they wanted to keep it the way they wanted it. Am I right, Spirit? What's this Ace of Pentacles? What happened in the past? Yeah, see, the partner wanted this stable new beginning, which was right here. But person B was a little selfish, if I may say so. This person only thinks about themselves. They know that they have lots of things to do. This is a person who doesn't really pay, and they have a hot temper sometimes as well, right? Little rash, little immature, little self-serving, it's my way or the highway kind of a feeling. And even though that person wanted the stability with them, they never offered it. They didn't offer it, and that's why this thing is going on. How does person B see person A, Spirit? They see person A as in love with them. They feel that person A thinks that they are their soulmate. They should be with them forever and ever after. They feel person B feels that person A wants commitment with them because person A feels that we are meant to be, right? So why do they see their partner as the Two of Cups in the uh, Hierophant? Yes, they feel, according to person A, the choice should have already been made because they've made it that choose me. Okay, choose me now because I'm your soulmate. You have to do justice by me, and let's be together forever. At least that's how person B is saying, thinking about person A, which I did see. Person A does think that person B is their soulmate, did want to have some kind of stability, and they're not feeling very happy about the fact that person B would just like to keep it casual. This is like a casual in and out kind of a relationship, right? So that's the problem here. One partner wanted this, the other partner wants this, but not the whole shebang about the happily ever after and whatever. So let's see what action person A will take now towards person B. Seven of Cups. They've already chosen. They're not confused. Person A already knows who's their one. They already have chosen. They, out of all these cups around them, they know which is that one cup for them, and they are quite sure it's person B. Why do they feel that way, Spirit? Seven of Cups in reverse. Seven of Cups in reverse. Because they feel this is a divinely guided connection. They feel the angels have brought us together and we're meant to be together. Okay, so let's see what person B feels about person A now. Ace of Swords. This is the action they want to take. What is that, Spirit? Ace of Swords. Why is the Ace of Swords the action person B wants to take towards person A? Okay, one more. What's this decision? One more. What they want to tell person A is, yes, they do love person A. They do have a lot of love for person A. They want to have some direct communication with person A that, hey, listen, I've made my choice. I've made my choice. I choose you because I do love you. There is love here, but I'm not sure whether I can make all your wishes come true. They are scared that this may backfire on them because they're not sure whether they can offer commitment, or maybe they're not ready for commitment. They're actually quite bad at communication. Person A, Sagittarius, if this is you, person B has a little bit of trouble in articulating what they want. So maybe, there is miscommunication here. Person A is sure about person B, and person B is struggling to say that, hey, I like you, I love you, but I'm not sure that I am the right person here to make all your wishes come true. Okay, so, and they could come out as a bit harsh and a bit rude and a little mean, and that's the reason I think person A is feeling that hurt and upset right now. They could have said something really sharp, but please know, heart of hearts, person B also loves person A a lot. For them, the love is there. It's just that they're just not sure whether they are ready to make person A's dreams come true right now. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. So this could be, in case person A is not happy with that, this could be the ending of this relationship, or maybe you guys can transform it into a new way of making this relationship if you're okay with that. Who knows, in time person B's mind may change, right? But if there's love, that's really what's most important. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Yes, this is whatever said and done. This makes you both very, very happy. You do make each other very happy. So till next time, then till Friday, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Sagittarius. Take care.